Immunocontraception in wild horses, Equus calibus, extends reproductive cycling beyond the normal breeding season. Porcine zona pellucida of PZP recipient mares will extend reproductive cycling into the non-breeding season. Conception and birth rates will happen over a wider range of months than non-recipients. Immunocontraception has become an increasingly popular way to control the population numbers of wild animals, in particular horses. PZP injections are given to the mares to stimulate antibody production that binds sperm receptors to the egg surface, preventing attachment and fertilization of the egg. This report looks at the effects of PZP on the extension of the reproductive cycling beyond the normal breeding season. The study subjects are the horses of the Shackleford Banks, North Carolina, USA. The horses have been observed to have increased their reproductive behavior into the post-breeding season. Therefore, when anti-PZP antibody titers decrease, extended estrous cycling among the recipient mares will increase conception, therefore rendering the vaccine useless in terms of population control. This study is based on harem groups of horses consisting of 1, 2, or 3 stallions, several mares and their offspring. 63% of mares were injected by DART in January 2000 with 100 micrograms of PZP and an adjuvant, a substance that enhances the body's immune response to an antigen at the darting site. Following data was recorded for the preconception years, the end of 2000, and the post-contraception years, 2001 and 2008. The horses were identified by age, sex, colour and markings and were observed 2 to 3 times per week, with the body conditions of each horse being noted. The births were designated into before contraception, current recipient, prior recipient and non-recipients. Climatology data was obtained from the National Climate Data Centre from the Moorhead City Station, 8 kilometres from the study site. Linear mixed effects models were used to analyse variation in foaling days, weather, PZP efficiency and number of consecutive PZP applications. Overall, rainfall patterns did not differ between pre- and post-contraception, therefore the seasons remained similar. As you can see, foaling occurred over a broader range of months after contraception. The red represents the PZP recipients with foaling continuing through to December. This is compared to the green, which represents the non-recipients, where foaling has finished by September, resulting in a 3-month time difference. PZP efficiency is the number of recipient mares that did not become pregnant divided by the total that received PZP. One injection of PZP results in a 97% success rate of contraception. With the first 4 consecutive applications of PZP, the effectiveness declined. It then rose back up to 100% after 5 or more consecutive applications. The data suggests that consecutive applications of PZP will result in a 100% contraception rate, with a disruption of the reproductive cycling and foaling schedule. The resources available do not match the energy expenditure needed to reproduce, with cycling extending into the winter. The effects of PZP are therefore crucial in order to manage and maintain healthy populations.